it's Sam here, and this is the GravaStar Mercury V75 Pro HE. It's a 75% Hall effect magnetic switch keyboard with a full aluminum alloy case, 0.005mm rapid trigger precision, an 8000Hz polling rate, and 0.125 millisecond latency. In this video, I'll be reviewing the keyboard specs, gaming performance, and sound tests. There are 3 variants available, and I have the neon graffiti version in this video, which is priced around $260. In the box, there's the user manual booklet, a Type-A to Type-C USB cable, a soft cleaning cloth, a switch and keycap puller, a cleaning brush, 4 extra switches, a hard plastic dust cover, and the keyboard itself, which is quite heavy, just over 1.7 kilograms or 3.7 pounds, mostly due to the full aluminum case. Moving on to the design and layout, the keyboard has a 75% exploded layout with the piece number in the top middle, a volume knob on the top right corner, a light-up GravaStar logo next to the arrow keys, and these colorful shine-through dice-up PBT keycaps with a graffiti style that extends to this metal skeletal case, which has side RGB lighting. Speaking of the case, it has these 2 adjustable feet that can slightly increase the typing angle and has RGB as well, the OS switcher, Type-C port, and mode selector in the middle on the back, and 4 non-slip rubber feet on the bottom. As for the specs, the keyboard has Gateron Jade Gaming Hall effect switches that are pre-looped and has a hi-fi mahjong sound signature, pre-looped plate-mounted stabilizers to reduce rattling and pinging, a gasket-mounted carbon fiber plate for a consistent and stable performance, a 2-pin hot swap south-facing PCB with per-key RGB, and 4 layers of sound dampening mods in the case and in between the plate and PCB. Besides that, it also has 0.005mm rapid trigger precision for really small and accurate movements, an 8000Hz polling rate, and 0.125 millisecond latency with virtually no lag or latency, a full key scan rate of 32,000 and single key at 256,000 for registering ultra-fast key presses, and a whole lot more Hall effect features that is customizable with the driver. On the topic of that, the keyboard supports the GravaStar web-based driver. With this, you can configure and select different profiles, set the actuation point for the switches between 0.005 to 3.3mm, enable rapid trigger and test the key travel, select the type of switch and set the custom dead zones, change the polling rate and calibrate the switches, customize the RGB lighting effects, brightness, speed, sleep timer, and color for the backlights and sidelights, remap all of the layers and keys and switch between Windows or Mac OS, and access all of the advanced Hall effect features as well. SOCD allows the latest key press to be registered without releasing the previous key. As an example, I binded A and D together. So when I'm playing Valorant and I'm strafing from left to right, the latest key press will not stop my character but continue in the latest direction. Dynamic keystroke lets a single key to perform 4 different functions at 4 different points. Here I have set the W and S key to walk at 1.4mm but activate to running at 3mm. So when pressing the key slightly, I'll be walking, and when I press further down, I'll start running without having to press shift. This of course is just an example, and you can set it to whatever you like, to whatever game you're playing. There's also other features that are similar, like MT that lets you set holding and tapping to produce different functions, MPT that allows 3 different triggers at 3 different points, TGL that lets you tap for a continuous trigger and hold for a standard trigger, an amp that registers a different key upon release. With that covered, let's dive into the performance. Gaming was honestly really smooth and I could really feel the difference. Key presses were registered instantly and there was no lag or latency with these high-end specs. I tested the keyboard with Valorant and Marvel Rivals, so here is some gameplay followed by the typing sound test.
See ya. Enemy killed. One down. Be faster. Yikes. Three.
10 kills remaining.
Headshot. Three. Four.
5 kills remaining. 1 kill remaining.
Okay, where's the strat?
Alright, here are my final thoughts on the GravaStar Mercury V75 Pro HE. From a design standpoint, it's really loud and colorful, and this may be appealing to some users. Material-wise, it's really high quality with a full aluminum case and carbon fiber plate, which is surprisingly clean and clacky. For the specs, there is nothing to complain about as it has high-end specs and performs great in first-person shooters and fast-paced games. Plus, the gaming experience is further enhanced by the customizable Hall effect features. Overall, it's a fast, premium, and unique looking keyboard, and I think that kind of justifies the $260 price. So if you're interested in the GravaStar Mercury V75 Pro, it will be linked in the description below, and that does it for this video. Thanks to GravaStar for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.